What's up, fellas? Peace, peace, peace. Colors, 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 colors. Ooh, this gonna be a good one, fellas. This gonna be a good one. Colors, 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 colors. Hey man, I'm gonna tell y'all, lawyers are not your fucking friends. Okay? They're not your fucking friends. Yeah, real talk, man. We're gonna start in a few minutes. 3 more minutes and I'm gonna get to it. All right. I know a lot of people gonna drag in a little bit. 2 more minutes and we're gonna get to it. 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. Some people gonna come and see it late. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lawyers ain't your friends, fellas. They are your employees. What's up, Pennsylvania? We got Virginia in the house up there, Kevin B. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, StreamYard playing with me. They only showing one person, but it's more than one person in here. But it's okay. Lawyers are not your friends, fellas. Lawyers are not your friends. Okay? Remember that. Whatever you do, especially personal injury claims, we're going to talk about personal injury claims, mainly personal injury claims. Yes, sir. What's that? The state of lovers. We got a few seconds, fellas. We got 30 seconds left. I'm going to pull up some information. We're gonna talk about these lawyers, how they've been robbing y'all, scamming y'all out of these personal injury claims. Okay. They ain't supposed to be, they're not a part of that, the of your baby mama's case now, are they? Are they a part of your baby mama's case? Huh? Were they there? Were they at the hospital? Huh? This motherfucker, this show should be fucking packed. All right, let's get started. Hey, this is Sham Stoppers. We run this child support shit and we ain't giving it back. You know what I'm talking about? Coming live from Austin, Texas. You know, where I told two bitches go fuck themselves. I'm not paying for their cream pies. They ain't got no money from me. They ain't got shit. They had babysitters to watch my daughters. You know, and they did a good job because none of them claimed that they got raped. They know who they fucking with. But hey, let's go with it. Overview of theories of liability, culpability. Generally speaking, this is about lawyers are not your friends, fellas. Remember this. Lawyers are not your fucking friends. I don't care if it's a guardian ad litem. I don't care if it's a workers' comp. I don't care if it's an SSI. I don't care if it's a personal injury. I don't care if it's a public defender. Generally speaking, the law does not hold lawyers strictly liable for harm suffered by clients or non-clients except for rules related to vicarious liability. See Chapter 18 for breach of contract. Part A of this chapter. In every malpractice suit based on tort principles, including claims for breach of fiduciary duty discussed in Chapter 4. And remember this, fellas. Now, I'm going to say that for y'all. The plaintiff must show that the defendant lawyer acted culpably. Specifically, the plaintiff must prove that the defendant intended to cause harm or failed to exercise reasonable care to prevent foreseeable losses from occurring. Isn't that beautiful? Intent means that the defendant desired to cause a result that the law forbids or acted with substantial certainty for all practical purposes that the result would follow. Respectively, these two kinds of intent are called purpose and knowledge. Let's stop right here. Purpose and knowledge. So, what is the purpose of you getting a lawyer for a personal injury claim? You want to get a lawyer, you want to obtain a lawyer for a personal injury claim, right? To give you all your money because you've been harmed by someone. And they bring at the beginning of a personal injury claim, they supposed to tell you, hey, you got some creditors and such, you ain't gonna get paid, you're not gonna get all this money. So if you got child support, you ain't gonna get this money, right? They supposed to tell you that, but guess what, fellas? That right there, that's kind of that's false, because guess what? Child support they don't like when men call them creditors, right? Because now men know that it's a loan, and child support don't have nothing to do with any claims that you have against somebody else who injured and harmed you, because you didn't injure and harm that old dirty bitch. She just don't want to be responsible, pay her own fucking bills because she's a stank hoe. Real talk. So the purpose of this fucking lawyer is to get you all your money from this motherfucking wrongdoing that you was injured by another party, right? So let's go to knowledge. Knowledge. See, a license to practice law ain't nothing but a business card. This is all business. This is a business license. Ain't no law license. It's a business license, right? The next podcast, I'm going to show you that court is a business. Okay. That's why we told y'all a long time ago to study business law and tort law. Right. So the lawyer has the knowledge. He went to school and all that, but he comes to you and plays you like a fool, like you his friend, and say, I don't know, we can do this. I don't know, we can do that. I don't know. You got to call a bitch ass nigga out. Like, nigga, what the fuck you go to school for, nigga? Huh? You practicing on me, or do you know? Because I see the word knowledge has the word know in it, right? The word knowledge has the word know in it. So they know what they fucking doing. And they doing this shit on fucking purpose. Because once this lawyer find out that your ass can't read or fucking comprehend, guess what? He finna take your ass for a motherfucking ride. He know you don't answer questions. He know you don't read none of his rules and procedure in his book, how he's supposed to act and have loyalty to you. In this case, he ain't supposed to be settling for anything low. He's supposed to every time he talk to them other people, he's supposed to come and address you, because guess what? He is your employee and you are his fucking boss. Okay? C, reinstatement third of torts, liability for physical and emotional harm. For example, if a lawyer deliberately embezzles money belonging to, let me stop. This motherfucker should be packed like a motherfucker. Oh well. Can't no nigga say sham stoppers ain't did shit. To a client, the lawyer commits the intentional tort of conversion because the lawyer acted with purpose. Do you see that? The lawyer sought to exercise dominion and control over the money in a manner inconsistent with the client's rights. Fellas, if you're in a personal injury claim and that check is in your name and he decides to give your shit away, go after that nigga. See, back in the day, we used to get the money first and motherfuckers fucked it up. We used to get paid before the lawyer, right? And niggas said, man, fuck you, I ain't giving you shit. They used to take off with the money, right? So if a lawyer ever put you in a bind and tell you, hey, I got to get this money by law to child support, nigga, what law? Child support ain't no law, hoe ass nigga. That's a fucking policy, and policy don't trump law, bitch. Similarly, if a lawyer knowingly assists a client in breaching the client's fiduciary duties to a third person, the lawyer may be liable to the third person for the tort of intentionally aiding and abetting a breach of fiduciary duty because the lawyer acted with knowledge, nigga. On the assumed facts, the lawyer was substantially certain that the breach being assisted would occur. Man, man, oh man. What y'all think about that, man? Huh? Let's go to negligence and recklessness. Lack of care takes two different forms, negligence and recklessness. Negligence is the failure to exercise ordinary care. For example, a lawyer acts negligent if the lawyer carelessly fails to calendar the filing date for a suit and therefore neglects to commence the action before it is barred by the applicable statute of limitation. On the other hand, recklessness reflects an extreme lack of care, which is sometimes defined as conscious indifference to a known risk of serious harm. Thus, a lawyer who asserts a false statement of the fact as though it were true, even though the lawyer does not know whether the statement is correct, may be found to have acted recklessly and subject to liability for tort of deceit, nigga. What's up, Virginia? MH. What I tell y'all? Huh? Lawyers are not your fucking friends. Stop having friendly conversations. Stop having. See, that's what he doing. He here to butter you up. So when he butter your ass up, he know he got power over you. Oh, he's a cool guy. I can just tell this motherfucker, uh, now, now we got to get his money up, and he think you cool with that shit, right? So what he doing? He's taking your guard down, your masculinity down, your grit down. He's turning you down. He's turning that knob down on your ass, right? To get you in a comfortable spot so he can just say, hey, okay, I'm just gonna fuck you. It ain't gonna hurt. I'm gonna stick this dick in your ass and play with that little duty hole. And you gonna say, okay. Whenever a lawyer gives your money to these dirty child support bitches, it is conversion. I know a dude that signed over 250 grand because the lawyer told him, man, well, you can't do nothing about it, just sign it. And I asked him, I said, you did what? My nigga said, if there's nothing you can do, just sign it. Why would he tell you that? Why did you sign it? You could have did this. Nah, I ain't signing shit over, nigga. Go give me my money, or I'm gonna have you and your whole fucking family in my garage. So this dude signed over $250,000 because he said ain't nothing you can do about it. Let that would have been me for 250 grand. That'll be the last time that motherfucker practice anywhere. He'll be practicing on the other side of the heavens with Valhalla or wherever his God is. That's where he gonna be practicing. Yeah, I'm doing a live. Hello? He gonna be practicing on the other side. Lawyers are not you. They not y'all friends, man. You here to put them to work. Call them, hey man, what you doing? Send me something. What you doing? Email it to me. Let me know what you're doing. Lawyers are fucking public servants. You are the public. They are the public servants. They here to serve you, nigga. Not you serve them. A lot of stupid motherfuckers in this country have made these bastards comfortable. They made millions of dollars over stupid dudes, stupidity from not saying one simple word, no. The word no could have stopped $250,000 from going to child support, or however much money. You better not get my money up, dude. We're going to have a problem. This is what I hired you for. I didn't hire you for child support. That's a whole different subject matter. That is not part of the subject matter. The subject matter, I've been injured. You fellas better wise the fuck up before it's too late, before your ass be out on the street twerking and shit and hollering and begging for Burger King leftovers. Think about all your homeboys that got their money took because a lawyer lied to them and told him we got to give it to child support. And when it's going in his bitch ass pocket and he giving it to his colleagues, the state, and they get that little stupid bitch baby mama yours a little piece of the change. This was the lawyer's conversation. Oh, well, he got a ratchet baby mama. We just give her like $2,000. All she gonna do is go get her some crab legs, some hair and nails, and she just a crazy bitch. Yeah, he's stupid. He fell for it. He signed the check. Oh, yeah, we got us another dumb motherfucker. These are the conversations they have about y'all, man. And guess what, fellas? You ready for this? You getting ain't nobody else on YouTube gonna tell y'all this shit. Whenever you get into an injury case, you ain't got no money. You can borrow money off of your fucking case. You can find people who will front you some money, and when you get your case, they can pay it out. They can deduct that from what you borrow. Here it is. So guess what? Child support show up after the fact. Your stupid punk ass lawyer tell you, hey man, we got a child support lien. Okay, fellas in the chat, what the fuck the lien is? Tell me what the lien is. I done did billions of videos on what liens are, child support liens. Ain't no such thing as a child support lien. They put it out there to fool y'all niggas because they know y'all stupid. Tell me what a lien is. So I'm responsible for her to go borrow money from the state? No, I'm not. A lien is a debt, or a lien is some services, or you indebted to some services you couldn't pay for, like a mechanic's lien. Like if you go get your car fixed and you can't pay the fucking mechanic, and he said, hey man, I'm gonna give you the 3 months, you can't do it. What did he do? He put a mechanic's lien on your shit. Like a tax lien. If you owe taxes for your property, you ain't got enough money to pay for that shit. Guess what? They put a lien out on your property till you pay them taxes. Now, The only way they have a child support lien, if you the boo-boo the fool, you a damn idiot, you go sign some shit. Yeah, I'll pay child support. I don't mind paying child support. Guess what? They got a lien and they deserve to take your shit because you too stupid. You gonna sign this bitch. You gonna take this bitch's debt and pay for her to go get cream pies and get nothing on. I done made 1,000 videos about this shit. Ain't no reason for nobody who follow Sham Stoppers to be dealing with this shit still. Ain't nobody gonna give you this game about these old crooked ass fucking lawyers. Conversion. It's fucking conversion. The lawyer commits an intentional tort of conversion because the lawyer acted with purpose. The lawyer sought to exercise dominion and control over money in a manner inconsistent with the client's rights. Y'all better wise up. I don't like child support lawyers. I don't like them. We don't need them. What we need them for? They there for the bitch. They not there for you. They there for the bitch. They're there for the bitch. They're not there for your kids. Shouts out to P. Diddy for whooping that bitch's ass. She deserved that ass whooping. I wish more niggas would come out on camera and start whooping bitches' asses because she deserved every bit of it. Because she didn't tell everybody when she was getting paid all the money he was giving her, not did she? She planned that shit. She did something to piss him off so she can put him on camera and have an excuse to leave and get paid from that nigga. She planned that shit, man. Bitches are smart. Don't fall for it, fellas. Stay away from these niggas talking about, man, I'll catch a fade for hitting that woman. Stay away from pussy ass niggas like that. Them niggas will get you killed and get you in trouble because you know what? There's some women out here will cut your fucking throat wide open while you sleep, nigga. I don't feel sorry for not one bitch on this planet. And I will not defend not one bitch on this planet. Because if I do, I don't have to because my bitches or bitch know not to disrespect another man out here. She ain't got no business talking to another goddamn man. Let me go get my husband. I like this. That's it. That's it. Fellas, 30 minutes of your time you can take out, go read you some books. 30 minutes will save your life from 30 years in motherfucking prison. I'm going to say it one more time. 30 minutes to save your ass from 30 years in fucking prison. Y'all have a good rest of this evening. Peace.